Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Black Bull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Black Bull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. That's right, get either the Essential, Plus or Premium plans absolutely free, and all you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Black Bull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Hey, if you like futures because of the tight spreads and clear setups, go check out Blue Guardian Futures. They let you start trading futures with up to $450k in funding. The best part, you keep 100% of your first 15k in profits, then 90% after that. No activation fees, weekly payouts, and they're sponsoring Chris Eubank Jr. and Birmingham City FC. Go take a look at blueguardianfutures.com or click the link in the description. Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Black Bull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Black Bull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. That's right, get either the Essential, Plus or Premium plans absolutely free, and all you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Black Bull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Hey, if you like futures because of the tight spreads and clear setups, go check out Blue Guardian Futures. They let you start trading futures with up to $450k in funding. The best part, you keep 100% of your first 15k in profits, then 90% after that. No activation fees, weekly payouts, and they're sponsoring Chris Eubank Jr. and Birmingham City FC. Go take a look at blueguardianfutures.com or click the link in the description.
Oh shit, sorry, bro. Sorry. Thanks, Trade Meal. Mic check 1 2 1 2. You guys can hear me? Mic check 1 2 1 2. All right. So here's my NQ News cheat sheet. Okay. So what do we have today? We have CPI today. If it comes in how it did prior, which is bearish, or not bearish, but you know what I mean. You know what I mean. Where is it? Oh, here it is. Oh, it's right here. It's right here. So if it comes in the same way it did last time, which was Dovis came in pretty weak, right? So then that's good for NQ. That's good for NQ. I mean, it would be bullish. Means NQ would be bullish. Let's say that it comes in the opposite though. Hot comes in good. Then NQ would be bearish. So it's technically the complete opposite of gold, right? So gold is a commodity. If CPI news came in good, then gold would drop. Anyone know what just happened? NQ spiked up and down over 100 points in a matter of seconds and then reset as if nothing happened. We have CPI today, bro. You're going to see a lot of spiking and a lot of just random stuff, okay? A lot of spiking. A lot. So if your setup is already formed before news, you may take a low risk but reduce size. Watch the first 5-minute news candle. If it sweeps and fails, fade the move. What does fade the move mean? Can't show you guys my whole strategy because I'm putting it together. So fade the move. This is a contrarian setup that occurs when price reacts strongly to news, sweeps liquidity, and then fails to follow through. Instead of chasing the initial move, you trade against the reaction once it shows signs of reversals. So around 8:30 a.m. Is when it usually happens. Price spikes into a known liquidity level. So what is news, guys? News just speeds up liquidity. It just speeds up the process. It's not like it's just random. It's not random. It just speeds it up a little bit faster than what we're used to because it's not fucking random. Let's see here. So what could we expect news to do? We could expect news to come up here, take out this levels of DOL, fail to take it, and then we start coming down. Fail to go higher, and then we start coming down. That could potentially be what happens. But what I'm doing now is I'm waiting for my 8:15 candle. I'm waiting for my 8:15 candle. It looks like this is going to be the 8:15 candle. So, and then I'm going to be walking away. I'm going to go work out. If you guys want to trade news, you can trade news, but I'm going to be, personally, I'm going to be waiting until after news. I'm still waiting for my times to get on. Nothing's really going to change too much. Let's go ahead and say some affirmations. Well, first, I posted this in the Discord. A little motivation. This is something you probably heard 1,000 times. Trading is 99% discipline. 99% discipline. Becoming successful in trading is all about discipline and mentality. Winning traders are disciplined, and it's so true. What really matters here is not just to be disciplined. You have to understand your discipline, like where you need it most and where you need it less. Why? Ooh. I don't need to know what will happen next to make money. I'll follow my plan no matter what. But I am expecting a big drop here, guys. I'm expecting a pretty big drop for CPI. Top step is still not said anything. About my fucking account. So last CPI was on May 13th. Let's see what happened. Let's go back to May 13th. Right here. So this is CPI, May 13th. So on May 13th, news came out bearish, right? But how does NQ react to that type of news? So since it came out pretty weak, right? NQ goes bullish when it comes out weak like that. When it comes out strong, when it comes out maybe better than we're expecting it to be, NQ will drop hard. So I'm expecting this to be a little bit better than it was last time. So we had 2%, which was lower than what they predicted. So we pumped. Kept pumping. Pump, pump, pump. So now we'll see what happens this time. I want to see something though real quick. Let me go back over here. That makes sense. But we do have this buy side liquidity sitting right above here. This buy side sitting right there. So yeah. However, if we break above here and close above here, we're not that far away from all-time highs. We're not that far. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and mark my New York Open, guys, and then I'll be back. If you guys want to trade CPI, you can trade CPI, but I'm not trading it until afterwards. So I want to see what it does. If you do trade it or want to trade it, at least wait for the first 5-minute candle to close to see what happens. If it sweeps and fails, sweeps the level of liquidity and fails to continue in that direction, then just do the opposite. If it goes long and then fails to, or if it goes long, sweeps here, fails to go higher, just do the opposite. Just do the opposite. That's it. Pretty simple. Pretty simple. Anyway. All right. Okay. Anyway. Okay. I'll be back. Gonna go work out. What's up, guys? I am back. This sun is a little bright. Let me close these blinds. Yeah, that's better. Oh, I got my PJ sitting right there. All right, guys. What's up, my guys? What's up, my guys? All right, so what do we have here for CPI? So I told you guys I'm not trading CPI, but I'm trading after. Hey, Shane. What's up, brother? I don't know if you're still here, but yeah, I was not trading CPI, bro. I'm just waiting till after to trade CPI. I'm waiting to react after. So we did close above New York Open, right? However, we did try to close right back below it, yeah? So what we could see here is, well, it's not 9:30 just yet, so I gotta wait for 9:30. But we could see a retest of New York Open to go long, or once 9:30 opens, we could inverse this entire FEG that was created from news. Let's see, this is the data low. The data low is inside of New York Open. So we could take out this data low and then pump back up, or we could inverse the FEG and start dropping. I would really like to see shorts more than anything, but news came out actually a lot worse than it did last time. So it makes sense that we did this pump here, because what did I say? If news comes out bad for the economy, NQ will pump. If it comes out good for the economy, NQ will dump. I know I look a little snazzy today, trying to really treat this shit as if I'm waking up for a whole fucking full-time job, because this will be, I want it to be my full-time job eventually, more so part-time now. But that's how all traders start, yeah? So yeah, still waiting for 9:30. But see, we just tapped into this 50% level of the FEG, but we still have this data low down here. So it could be targeting this data low. And if we fail to sweep this low, this data low, we could just see longs. We could just see longs from above this area, but I really would rather see shorts, to be honest. So gotta wait for 9:30 though. 9:30. Had a nice little workout, and now I'm back in the mental framework of wanting to make some money today, yeah? So let's see what happens. Oh, let me move this over here. My bad. Stupid fucking Top Step, man. My account, I still can't. You know what? Let me relax. Good morning, Jason. What's up, bro? Good morning, bro. I'm about to just kind of stray away from Top Step, to be honest. I'm not fucking with it. Ruben. What's up, man? What's up, mate? What's cash, mate? Dang, it's a little hot. Hold on. Let me get some water, guys. Be right back. Just let me grab some water. Whatever. Alrighty, guys. So what do we want to see here? We had a nice closure above this DOL, but we closed right back below. So that's kind of what I wanted to see. But we had a really strong push up above. So if we do continue higher, we'll probably just, right now there's this target here. And let's see, are there any more real... Honestly, there's nothing really stopping us from this level after we pass it and break through pretty strong until around maybe this FEG here. So we could probably target this too. Actually, let me see about the 1 hour. Yeah, that's a huge... You could fill this whole FEG here as well. Oh, we already took out this high. We already took out this high on the 30. So I'm just scrolling left to find more levels that we could potentially target. Yeah. Come on. Why is it lagging? I really want to see us dump, though. I want to see a huge dump. We have a lot of equal lows sitting right here. A lot. We have this New York low, current New York low, London low, Asia low. A lot of equal lows sitting there. So I'd rather see shorts. I'd rather see shorts. If we can inverse this FEG, I will take shorts from here and put stops right above here. Target much lower. Much lower. Because we've been pushing up like for a lot of days. A long time. So CPI could have just sped up our liquidity levels, taken them out just to grab liquidity so we can push down. Let's see. We still have like 18 minutes left before 9:30 open. You guys know I don't trade until 9:30 because I want to see the reaction that NYSE has, the New York Stock Exchange. And if you guys don't know, New York market opens at 8 a.m., but the NYSE market opens at 9:30, which is one of the most volatile times of the New York market. Also, I have updated my trading hours. Instead of getting off at 11, I'm getting off at 11:30 because True London closes at 11:30. And a lot of times I have really been seeing my fucking strategy play out as soon as I get off at 11. And it makes me go insane. So I kind of just looked back at what I could, I don't know, fix, or not even really fix, but add to my strategy. And I just took a look at when True London closes again, because I was trying to figure out exactly why it keeps happening after I get off at 11. And that makes more sense because True London closes at 11:30. So I started doing more back testing at that 11:30 mark for EST. And I was trying to see exactly what happened every single time at 11:30, just going back into the market, seeing exactly what happened. And every single time around 11:30 or like 11 o'clock, 11 or 11:30, there is a big move because that's when the London market closes. So the London market opens at 3 a.m. EST, which is 8 a.m. for them. And then 11:30 is 4:30 for London, 4:30 p.m. for London, but 11:30 a.m. for us, for EST. So everybody in the London market is closing out of their positions before the market closes, which makes a lot of sense as to why there's either a big dump or a big pump. But usually I see a nice little dump happen. But yeah, so timing is very important, guys. It's very, very important. Very, 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 very important. That's why I wait for 9:30. If you guys want to back test all of the times, back test to look at 3 a.m., look at 3 a.m. EST, look at 11:30 EST, look at 9:30 EST, and 9 p.m. EST, which is Asia. A lot of people trade that 9 p.m. hour of Asia. All right, so we already took out these levels. Don't really need them anymore. Well, I kind of want to keep them because they're a key level, really. All right, so let's say some more affirmations before we start, guys. I don't need to know what will happen next to make money. I don't need to know what will happen next to make money. Losses are inevitable, yeah? Losses are fucking inevitable in trading. I will follow my plan with discipline no matter what. No matter what. Anything can happen. Trading is a game of probability. Do not predict, just follow. Just follow. Risking less than $400 but more than $300 is a sweet spot for me and my mental and for both risk and reward for a 50K account. Oh God, excuse me, guys. Excuse me. Jesus Christ. Oops. What's up, mate? What's cash, mate? Still fucking waiting on Top Step. So dumb. Yo, is anybody else having issues with Top Step? If you have Top Step, like, can you log into your fucking account? And if you can't, are they responding to you? Because they're taking forever to respond to me. Forever. What do you mean, what's the fucking account name? We got 10 minutes until 9:30 open. So we had a huge push, right? So you guys know how the market works. Well, some of you don't, some of you do. So we have a huge push, and then after a huge push, we will have some consolidation. So we have expansion, and then we will have some consolidation, and then we will have another expansion after a retest or a retracement. So we could be consolidating now just to retest New York Open to push up, or we can be consolidating to inverse this FEG, break past New York Open to go lower, or to push up even higher, to grab liquidity and to push up. We just have so many levels to the downside. I would really like to see us push down. I don't know if it'll happen today. It might not. It might. Maybe it'll happen tomorrow. What do we have tomorrow? We have PPI tomorrow and unemployment claims tomorrow. And we have prelim on Friday. God damn, it's a news week. It is definitely a news week. Oh, that's not it. What the fuck? Okay, you know what? I'll deal with that after. I'm distracting myself. I don't even want to trade on my Top Step right now, so I'm just gonna trade on my Apex because fuck Top Step right now, to be honest. Fuck that shit. All right. Alrighty now. Yeah, so there's one or two things that could happen. But we have this data low here. Okay, so I'm going to see if we're trying to seek the data low. And if we do seek that data low, I'm going to say that we're going to go short. But if we fail to seek this data low, I would say we're going to go long. But we'll see. I don't want to predict too much. What's going on with Top Step? With Top Step, bro, I don't know what happened, but like on Friday or something, they sent out a lot of emails or whatever to people saying that they want everybody to reset their password, but I never got that email and I didn't. They said it was sent out to some, not all. So I never got it. And then they said when you try to prompt logging in, it's going to automatically prompt you to reset your password. And that never happened for me. It never prompted me to do that. Nothing. So I can't log into my Top Step dashboard. Like it won't let me. And then when I try to reset my password, it won't send me a link. There's no link that it was going to send me. Like I can log into my Top Step X, I can trade, but I can't get any type of payout. I can't pay for my Express account that I have right now. I have a funded account that I've been waiting to fucking activate, but I can't activate it because I can't log into my dashboard. And I'm trying to talk to support about it. And they just stopped responding. Like I told them, they were like, well, did you try to email or email yourself a password reset link? Yes, bitch. Yes, I fucking did. I fucking told you I did. I told you it's not coming to my email. And then they just stopped responding. They closed the entire support chat. They closed the whole chat. And I'm really pissed off right now because what the fuck, man? We got another fucking the funded trader now. Top Step, are you turning into another the funded trader? Like the fuck, bro. I don't got time for this shit. It makes me really just want to go make my own personal account. Like I'm getting sick of these challenge accounts, to be honest. Always something going on. There's always something. Like it's annoying. I can't log into my shit. Like that's so annoying to have a past account, to have funds that you can fucking withdraw, and you can't even do it. You can't even do it. It's frustrating, man. It's really frustrating. Like, look at this shit. Look at this shit, guys. Look at this shit. Look. Look, there's so many concerns right now with Top Step. So many concerns. Like, people are trying to pay their resets and they can't do it. It's annoying. All right, so we got 3 minutes till open, guys. 3 minutes until open. And if you guys want to join the Discord for free, it's completely free. Join the Discord. We can chat it up. We can stay linked, connected. Have more traders in there building it up. Link is in bio. Link is in the chat. I'm going to say let's go long. Oops. Like, we could take out this data low and then start pumping. But let's see what happens, because this would be the target here. So we got two situations. So we could retest New York Open and go higher, or we can inverse this FEG that's also sitting inside of New York Open to go lower after we take out this data low. So we have this data low here, and really I want to get in after we sweep the data low, or after we take out the data low, because if we sweep it, we could pump up, or we could just continue lower. So I just want to react correctly. Oh, my stomach. For 1 minute till open. No distractions. Oh, wait. Let's do... six. Oh, there's the open. Let's see. Let's see here. Are we going to take shorts or longs? Right. Oh, based off of this FEG and this data low, I want to see exactly what happens. Are we going to take it out, or are we just going to grab liquidity? I mean, are we going to inverse it or just grab liquidity? If we inverse right here, let's see. Let's see. We're trying to retest this New York Open, but it looks like the retest is failing because we're just trying to sweep this data low here. Looks like we're really trying to get this data low. And if we get that data low, we could just inverse and take all these lows lower. I'm gonna stay bearish. Mm-hmm. All right, I'm gonna put a sell stop right here below here. Okay, I'm putting a sell stop right below. So we are rejecting lower. Let's see here. All right, let's see what happens here. Tell you when it gets activated. My stops or my sell stop is at 21,955.5. 21,955.5. And then I'm closing 80% at a, well, actually I'm going to close about 50% today just because we're so close to these lows. 21,900. Not activated just yet. Are we failing to sweep that low? Or are we just retesting this high? Well, did not get activated. Let's see what ES is doing. Yeah, I'm expecting a pretty big drop, guys. ES looks pretty good. Here's a data low for ES. ES is trying to inverse. So ES slightly inverse, but then came back up. So ES did that and then came right back up. We just have to wait for our setups today, guys. CPI is just a test of patience. Just a test of patience. I need some fucking music in my ear. I'm looking fresh. Thank you, bro. Thank you, brother. Thank you, brother. I tried today. I'm gonna be trying every day. Y'all are gonna be looking at me and watching a transformation. Okay? As you guys are watching me, you're gonna be watching a transformed trader. You're gonna be watching me get on in the morning with my wake up attire, wake up hair, wake up face. I'm gonna go work out, and then you guys are gonna be seeing me fresh to death every single time, baby. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. You don't trade on CPI days? That's good, bro. At least you're disciplined in that aspect. What's up? Wait. They don't love me like I love you. Wait. They don't love you like I love you. As I hope you're doing good, bro. But I'm glad you're disciplined in that aspect of not trading on your CPI days. If that's a day you don't like to trade, then that's a day you don't like to trade. There is no FOMO. No FOMO. I want these shorts though, because I'm trading after news. After news. All right, I still got this sell stop in here because I would really like us to come a lot lower. So if that can happen, if we can inverse, that would be really, really nice. But it looks like there's still buyers sitting in this area. Way, they don't love you like I love you. Way. They don't love you like I love you. Way. As I smile. All right. Yeah, still nothing. Still nothing yet. So this was a nice little inverse off this 30-minute, actually. Didn't really see that one. Yeah, I'm looking for shorts though, guys, for sure. Like, for sure. Way. Oh, here it comes. Here it comes. Well, maybe not. My sell stop is in order, guys. It's in order. Okay. It's not, it didn't activate just yet, but it's coming close. 3 times 5, 15. 2, 8. Oh, okay. I just got activated, guys. I got activated at 21955. So let's see what happens. My stops are going to be right above here. Exactly where that is, right here. I'm actually going to bring my stops right here, guys. I'm going to bring my stops right here. So I'm going to sell a little bit more. 9 times 5 is 45. Let's just come down here. I'm gonna close. Let's see, I got 9 cons in right now. I'm gonna close 30. Oh, close 6. 6 times 636. 6 times 5. Oh, 30. Whoa, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and close some now, guys. All right, I got 3 cons left. Beautiful trade. Let me see, 3. All right, I'm going break even. So I had 9 cons in, now I have 3. Now I have 3. God damn, guys, what was that? Already 37 points? Nice, nice, nice. Very nice. I want to see us come all the way down here, guys. All the way down. I might just actually might not even go break even. I might just keep my stops right above here until this candle closure, because we could get a retest and it could take me out. But if it does retest, because I did add some, so I'm actually my entry moved a little bit lower, 21949. Because I added a little bit. So let's see what happens here. But goddamn, guys, what is this? That was not 50 points, bro. That was not 50 points, bro. That was 40. But yeah, I was in right there. All right, let's see what happens. Very nice trade. That was a nice trade. But yeah, I added a little bit and then it brought my average to like right here. So that's where my break even is resting. All right, so my break even just got hit, but that's okay with me. That is okay with me. That was a nice trade, though. $416 off of that. Off of $416. Thank you, Sanj. Thank you, Sanj. Did you take that? Did you take that trade, bro? You went long? No. Like you went long after I closed out, or when did you go long? What was your entry? Too volatile for you on CPI? Yeah, that's why I like to wait for after news, because you know it's the volume. Longed at 21923. Oh, nice, nice, bro. A few pennies? What you mean a few pennies? That's like if you're still in, you're up 48 points, dude. What do you mean? a few pennies. Why just one con, bro? Why just one? Were you not like too confident in it, or because we took out the data low and we grabbed more liquidity from this New York Open? So it makes sense to me as to why you took long. Maybe you took longs on the 1 minute. Excuse me. After we took out the low, failed to seek lower, and then you went long. Longs would have been nice too. Longs would have been real nice. Literally could have just reversed the whole position down here and would have been at the bottom. But I think I am done for the day, guys. Made 400 on the day. Very nice. Very nice. 400 on the day. I followed my plan. I stuck to my fucking rule, guys. I did not trade before news. I traded after news, and I traded at the time my strategy typically plays out. Okay? That's it. No mas. Así no mas. Got out way too quick. Oh, damn, yeah. Because that was a good entry, bro. That was a very good entry. Why did you even enter? What was your like what told you to enter? Like what was your confirmations on entering? What was your strategy? You are chicken shit. Well, you might be chicken shit just because you don't exactly have a proven strategy, or you haven't tested it enough to hold. But see, my trades, I like to trade with volume, so my trades typically play out really quickly like that. You're a momentum trader, and I look for a change of momentum at resistance and support. Okay, so you must have entered on the 1 minute chart, I assume, huh? Way. 30-second chart. Damn, bro, that's probably why you're chicken shit. Because you're trading on the 30-second chart. It might be, maybe it's too much like movement for you, like too much noise, you know? Sometimes when you see a lot of candles moving up and down a lot, if you're not experienced enough on a lower time frame, it's gonna make you go fucking insane, bro. It's gonna make you go insane. So that's probably just what it is, a little bit of inexperience with the chart, the time frame that you're trading on. So Just do it more. Just do it more often, bro. And use a practice account. Use a practice account. Or use a combine. And or I don't know. Just do whatever you want. But just practice more. Practice more. Yo, Gormless. Yo, let me see you join the Discord, bro. I can fucking get it. Yeah, let me see you join it up. So we can continue chatting it up and sharing information. This damn bug out the way. Get this damn bug out the way. Let's go, bro. How's your trading day? It's good, bro. We're green on the day. Made about 400 bucks. Had 3 cons hit break even. I was in with 9 cons. I closed 6 and then went break even. How long have you been trading? I have been trading for, well, let's put it this way. I was trading Forex for about 1.5 years, and now I've been trading futures for maybe almost a year. Almost a year for futures. Because I had to switch over to futures because of everything that was happening at the time with MT5 and Forex prop firms, and yeah, so futures is regulated. Never really any issues with it. Besides right now with me and Top Step, because Top Step is gonna fucking hear it from me. Those little bitches. Those little bitches. Yes, sir. Yes, Formless. You don't really have to be in it for that long to really be profitable, bro. Like within my first year of trading, I think I always forget if it's either $3,000, $4,000. It's one of those two. I made about 3 or 4K and within my first year of trading from prop firms, and I flipped my own personal account. I flipped my own personal account from like 1K. No, not 1K. It was less than that. It was like maybe like 500, 400 bucks or something like that. I flipped that shit into like 2K on Forex. So now I have been switching over to futures was a little bit more, I guess you could say, difficult, because my risk management on Forex was completely different than it was on futures. I could risk a little bit more on Forex and be okay, like mentally, emotionally, be okay. But on futures, it's completely different. Like my emotions with risk and management on futures it's different. It's a learning process for sure. All right, so ES did not sweep this data low. How long are you profitable? What month is it? It's June. So since, let's say I've had a roller coaster, up and down, up and down, up and down, since I switched over to futures. I mean, to be honest, bro, all I did was just stare at the charts. I stared at the charts literally all fucking day and night. I barely got any sleep. My first year of trading, I barely got any sleep because I was so intrigued by the market and how everything moved, and just everything. Every single little thing about trading, I was so interested in. I love patterns. I love to see patterns. I love numbers. So what other job is going to give you something like this, bro? Like I can't go to a normal ass job and sit down and look at something like this. No, it's never going to happen. Like I love this shit. I love it. So ES did not sweep this data low, but NQ did. So we are struggling to push up here. I'm still expecting us to come lower. Yeah, bro, I paid a couple of credit cards off with my profits. And it actually helped a lot. It helped a lot. And I had this stupid ass loan from when I was a dumb kid not knowing how the hell any of that shit worked. And it helped me pay that off too. So yeah, so now I'm trying to get back up into my profits because I took a break after switching over from Forex to futures because the mental switch was just, it was a lot for me. I was pretty upset that I had to switch over, to be honest. Uni? No, it's just a personal loan. Personal loan for something. I don't know what the fuck. I forgot what the hell it was for. Oh, I think I like consolidated some shit. Maybe it was a consolidation loan. And then, yeah, I think it was a consolidation loan. No, I still have those stupid student school loans, bro. Fuck that shit. One of my coworkers, though, I got him into the strategy that I'm using, and he already made like 3K. He only took out a payment of $500 though recently, because I think he's leaving some in as a buffer and shit. But yeah. I'm still expecting lower though, like a lot lower. I'm going to get off of my PA now and just trade my combines. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. I told myself I'm only the only trade. If I take a trade on my combine, I'm going to take a trade on my PA. If it's not good enough to take on my PA, then I'm not going to take it on my combine. I'm going to treat my combines the same way I'm going to treat my PA. Stop that shit. So fucking tired of myself, bro. Sometimes I just gotta get myself back in the mental. You still working a job? Yeah, but just part-time. Just part-time right now. Just part-time. Because this is enough. Like trading is enough for me right now. Man, I had one account ready for payout. And then I fucked it up, bro. I accidentally entered a fuck ton of cons thinking I was copy trading, and I wasn't. And then it just blew it. Prop trader? Are you asking me if I'm a trader that trades with prop firms? See you, Shane. Good night, bro. I'll see you tomorrow. Well, I won't be on the live tomorrow, but I will be on the Discord tomorrow. So yeah, if you're asking me that, yeah, I use Apex and Top Step, but right now I'm not using Top Step because for some reason I can't log into my dashboard. Like I have an account that I'm trying to activate and I can't even fucking activate it. Can't even fucking activate it. But yeah, Renzel, are you in the Discord, Renzel? Because if you are in the Discord, I'm going to be posting the strategy very soon. Like by the end of this week, by the weekend, I will be posting the strategy up for like a little bit. Yeah, join the Discord if you do want to be able to learn the strat. Yeah, sometimes if you use the prop firm instead of your own money, it's a little bit easier and a little bit less stressful to be chicken shit. Oh, okay. Well, you don't have to be in it to learn the strat. You can just be in it to join the community and share your strategy, you know? Oh yeah, the mindset difference between your own money and prop firm money is very, very different, bro. Just imagine you're spending $50 on a 50K combine versus $500 of your own money that you could lose like that. And if you lose your combine for $50, what can you do? You could just buy another one. You can use, so with that $500 of your own money, you could buy how many combines? You could buy fucking 10 combines for $50 each. And right now, bro, check the Discord right now. I'm gonna post it right now. Hold on. Right now. Hold on. 80% off. I'm actually giving away one 50K combine today. So, yeah, but you have to buy it today. You have to buy it right now. I'm going to send you the money for it, and then you buy it. Yeah, I still want shorts, man. But I pretty much already had some money made for the day, so I should walk away. Technically, I should walk away. But yeah, here it is. All right, so I just put it in the Discord, bro, because Apex is having 80% off right now. Here's the code that you want to use for it. Okay. Community, I think, especially on trading, is a good thing to be a part of. Yes, bro. Having a trading community is very important. Very important. No, I gotta. No, I gotta. No, I gotta. No, I gotta. I need. How did you learn to manage your trades? I always overmanage and take profit too early because my inner voice tells me not to be greedy. Better off entering and then going for a walk. Not necessarily, bro. It really depends on how you're trading. Because if you're scalping like me, going for a walk won't really help. That's like you just saying, okay, that's like you praying to the Lords that your trade's gonna work out. Like, please God, I hope this fucking trade works out this time because if it does, I will do anything for you. No, bro, you're not walking away unless you are day trading or swing trading. Walking away, okay, I get it. If you want to walk away, set your levels of TP and then walk away. But if you're scalping, bro, you need to be at the screen watching price action so you can react how price action is reacting. You're kidding? Yeah, I used to do that. I used to do that shit too, bro. Don't worry. I'm over here like saying, okay, this shit's gonna work out this time. I swear to God, it's gonna work out. I swear. Let me just walk away and make sure that works out, because if I walk away, it's gonna work out. And if I stay here, it's not gonna work out. All these thoughts in your head. All these thoughts. Just breathe, bro. Just breathe. Breathe first. And then make sure that your stops are tight. Like, for example, this was a breakout candle from this FEG. So I moved my stops to above this breakout candle, and then all I did was target at least, well, this was a 1 to 5 from up here, from right here. This was the 1 to 5, but I decided to close a little bit. So you can literally just set your areas to like a 1 to 1. Okay, if you set it at a 1 to 1, close like 80-90% out of 1 to 1, and then let your runners run. That'll help a lot with being able to hold your trades. I mean, we all go through it, bro. I went through the same shit. And then it's also about your entry. Like, what time are you entering? When are you entering? You know? Trade Mill. Welcome to the Discord, bro. Welcome. I don't know, bro. We might go up again. But now we're chopping up, yeah. We're chopping up now. So we had a huge CPI move. And what do we have tomorrow? Tomorrow we have news. We have news for the rest of the fucking week. So still new. So would rather trade volume and earn. Yes, bro. I'd rather trade with volume anyway, any day. I love trading with volume because it's just quicker, and I don't like that chop shit. I don't like that chop. You want to know how I did collab? What do you mean? Oh, with Trading Nut? Oh, he had this competition or this contest, same thing, whatever, that he was doing like last year. I can't remember what month it was. Maybe around November or October. Something like that. I don't really remember when I started with him. But yeah, it was sometime last year, towards maybe the end of the year. I don't really fucking remember. But he had some contest that he was doing for Blue Guardian. And Blue Guardian is the prop firm right up here. If you guys want to use it, 25% off in the Discord or in the description. Anyway, so he had this contest with Blue Guardian, and he wanted people to send in videos of showing them how they trade. And whoever won was going to win I think it was like a 25K or a 50K Blue Guardian challenge account. And I won. I sent in a video of how I trade. I told him who I was as a person, and he likes the way I trade. So I stayed in here, and I won that Blue Guardian account, but I wasn't trading Forex at the time, so I wasn't too... And I don't think they had futures at the time, but right now they do have futures. Because I think they were only Forex prop firm at the time, but now they're futures as well. But yeah, so I won that account. I won this live stream. But the thing is, he wasn't even advertising the fact that somebody was going to win and be on his live stream. He was not advertising that. He was only advertising the account. So when I won and he told me that I can stream on his YouTube as well, I was like, whoa, for real? Word, bro. He was like, yeah, you can build yourself up on my YouTube. You can ask people to join your Discord or your YouTube, your Instagram. Like, it's totally okay for people to follow you from my YouTube channel so you can grow yourself. And I said, oh, wow, bet, brother, bet. I will bet on that. And I've been here ever since. I did take like a few months break. But now I'm back. Yes, I do aim to go solo in some time. That is the goal. I have my own YouTube. I have my own Discord. That's exactly why I've been building it up now. Here's my YouTube channel. Excuse me, guys. Excuse me, Jesus. Jeez. I need to add more videos to the YouTube. I add more to my Instagram, to be honest. I'm a little bit more on Instagram than I am on YouTube. I do need to start being on both more. That is my Instagram. I mean, that's my YouTube. And here is my Instagram. I need. Yeah, don't you fuck around, I know you heard about me. Man, I enjoy your company, but I need to play some HS now. What's HS? But alrighty, bro. I'm actually about to do the giveaway if you want to stay for a second. Because I'm about to get off. I'm done for the day. I made my money. And I'm going to do the giveaway now. So guys, join in. If you're ready for the giveaway, join in, okay? Join in. We're going to play some Wordle. If you guys don't know how to play. And if you're on Twitter, I am so sorry, but I can't see your comments. I'll just go on the Twitter. Let me go on the Twitter thing so I can see. Let me see if you guys. All right, if you're on Twitter, you can talk in the chat and I'll see your answer. All right, so this is how you play. This game is called Wordle. So I'm going to type in a word, trade, and you see how these gray letters are here. That means this is not in the word. This green A, that means that this is in the word and it's in the right spot. But the D means it's in the word, it's yellow. So it's in the word, but it's not in the right spot. So A is in the right spot, D is not in the right spot. And these letters are not in the word. So anything that's gray, it's not in the word. If it's green, it's in the word, right spot. Yellow, in the word, wrong spot. All right, let's play. All right, so none of these are in here. So I'm going to give you guys 1, 2, 3, 4. And if I guess it before you guys, nobody wins. Nobody fucking wins, okay? I don't even know if I can see everybody in the chat for... Oh, here it is. Oh, I can pop this chat out. Okay, that's dumb. I can't even. All right. So let's guess. If I guess it before you guys, nobody wins. We're giving away a 50K combine. All right, 50K Apex combine. and you have to use the discount code, and you have to buy the 50K. You also need to have either Zelle or Cash App. All right, Zelle or Cash App. All right, let's guess. What do you guys think? Oh shit. I'm sorry. I didn't even know I was muted. My bad. Good job, Brand. Good job, Brand. Are you in the Discord, bro? I need you to join the Discord to be able to fully win the combine. If you're not in the Discord, sorry, I can't send it to you, but you need to join the Discord. But good job, bro. And if you are in the Discord, Brand, just message me, DM me real quick. Just give me a quick DM. Yeah, Brand. Where you at, brother? Damn, this was nice though. We had a nice short, and then this literally was the entry for longs. It had stops right below this low right here that was created. Damn, that was nice. And you love it. What happened to sell in May and then going away? NQ looking unstoppable. Only the sellers going away this summer. It's just the market, bro. It's just what's going on in the economy. It's Trump and Elon Musk. The only thing we have to blame for the way this market is moving is Trump and Elon Musk. It's not normal. It's not normal. That's what happened. The election happened. The tariffs happened. And now that we had so much sell-off, bro, we had so much sell-off. When did we started selling off when? In fucking February, bro. We started selling off in February. What month is it? January, February, March, April, May, June. It's been 4 months, okay? It's been 4 months. So then, in the beginning of April, we started pumping back up because technically, we were literally like, if you want to say it, at like all-time lows. So it would make sense that we're coming all the way back up because we dropped so much liquidity was dropped for weeks, bro, weeks. Then we pumped up to grab all of this liquidity, and now where are we? Now where are we? We broke this weekly high, which was February, and then if we close below this weekly high, I'm going to say that we're going to start dropping. But if we close above it, we could be on our way to all-time highs. You sent me a Discord? You sent me a message on Discord. Oh, Ava, it's you. Congrats. I'm going to add you as a friend. Good job, dude. All right, send me. Replay, put the song on replay, like, oh, that's my shit, and I love it. I love it. I love it. God damn it, I love it. And I'ma keep on sucking Johnny on this dick. You love it. Damn, nice. I love it. Hey. All right, guys. So we had our winner, Ava. Good job, Ava. Good job. Let me see. This is our winner. Winner, chicken dinner. All right, guys. Give me a second. Let me send this to Ava real quick. No. No. All right, let me send this to you, Ava. Maybe 30. Just making sure I'm sending it to the right person. Rival? It wouldn't necessarily be a rival YouTube channel. Ava, check your DM real quick, Ava. I asked you a question. Just want to make sure I'm sending it to the right person. Cause you got like 5 names on here. You got Ava, you got Brand, you got Chandy. I don't know which. Is that you? Okay. All right, guys. I just sent it to her. Come on. Just sent that to Ava. Okay. She just got her 50K combine. Now she's gonna go buy it. And Ava, I'm gonna be able to see when you purchase it and what you purchase. If you don't buy the 50K combine, I ain't letting you win ever again. All right, I just sent that shit to you. Thank you, Sanj. Good luck to you too, bro. I will see you on the Discord tomorrow. If you guys are not on the Discord, this is my, I'm not trading live on here until next Monday. Wednesday is my last day trading live on Trading Nuts YouTube. So if you want to continue trading with me, just join the Discord and we will trade tomorrow. Okay, guys? Tomorrow. And I don't trade Fridays. I just don't trade Fridays. They're just not my thing. That's my day of rest. My rest day. I'm just jamming to my music over here. Listen to this shit, guys. It's a great song. I'm gonna put y'all on. Put y'all on.
Out there with my mans in a night show. Drinking 48, we keep the lights low. I've been moving my heart all the way. I stole what a nigga gotta say. Sipping any we can make it through the night, though. Never let a trapping out the window.
All right, guys, I'm out. You guys have a good rest of your day. Stay safe if you're still trading. We are consolidating. You'll probably see some nice movement around 11:30. I'm done for the day, though. I already made my profits for the day. I made around, let's see, $416 across 5 accounts. All right, $416 across 5 accounts. So that means I made about 2K today, yeah? About 2K. All right, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. Stay safe. All right. Use protection. Wear stop loss. Use stop loss. Wear condoms. We don't need any more kids in this world, guys. There's too many. There's too many. All right. See you guys later. Take care.
Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Black Bull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Black Bull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. That's right, get either the Essential, Plus or Premium plans absolutely free, and all you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Black Bull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Hey, if you like futures because of the tight spreads and clear setups, go check out Blue Guardian Futures. They let you start trading futures with up to $450K in funding. The best part, you keep 100% of your first $15K in profits, then 90% after that. No activation fees, weekly payouts, and they're sponsoring Chris Eubank Jr. and Birmingham City FC. Go take a look at blueguardianfutures.com or click the link in the description.